Hi everybody, I'm Stephanie with Charm Southern Home. Welcome to our sales tonight on Virtual Home Decor Marketplace for Saturday. So be sure you check out the sales after me. There's 2 other sellers after me tonight. So be sure you refresh and watch their videos once I'm done. I'll be on for 15 minutes tonight. So say hi when you hop on or say hi when you watch the replay so I can say hi back to you. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started. This is my first item tonight. So this is an arrangement that I made. It's 10 inches tall, and it comes with everything you see in there. It's got the rag bow with the bell. It's got some rusty stars, pip berries, and the candle does have a timer in it. So this is number 179. It's $24. $179 for 24. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll check the comments after I'm done. I'm only on for 15 minutes tonight. Unfortunately, the comments still don't work for me. So, all right, let's see here. Next one, I have a twig wreath. I've got some homespun around it with, I can't think of what they're called. The pip berries and the rusty star. This is number 172 and it is $18. 172 for 18. And I do ship from West Virginia. If you have any questions about anything regarding that, let me know. Let's see here. I'll go ahead and do this one. So this is a vintage wooden bobbin. And then the candle just sits on top of here, so you could set the candle. You could even stick like a spray of flowers in there, the stem of it. But this comes all like you see. It comes with the candle, and it does have a timer. And then I've added the pip berries, and the tag says "God Bless America" on it. This is number 143, and this is $30. 143 for $30, and this spool itself is about 13.5 inches tall, so it's a really good sized one. All right. Okay, I have more Americana type stuff for you. This is an oil can that I painted, and added some pip berries and then the rag bow there to it. This one's $125 and it's $18. $125 for 18. I've got some new mixer outfits for you tonight. I've got some new tote bags, and then a few other little things. So, all right, and this one. This is a nice canister. I thought this was a cute canister. I added the rag bow and the rusty star to it. You could put little treats or whatever you wanted to inside of it. It's number 145. It's $8. Only have one of those. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and do this one. So this one, I made this yesterday. I think it was yesterday. I posted a little sneak peek on my page about this one. This one measures 12 by almost 16. So 12 by about 16 inches. It's fabric, and then I've added a little tag here that says Land of the Free. It's got a rusty bell and a jute bow on it. So this one is gonna be number 137 and it is $30. 137 for $30 for the flag. Okay, let's see. I have our lotion bars. I'm going to go over those real quick. The lotion bars, they come in a tin, and I'll show you the actual lotion bar. It's going to look like this. It has a sunflower in it. You can just rub these. These would be great for Mother's Day gifts. Each one comes sealed in a tin, and these are some of the scents that I have available. If you forget a number, you can just tell me the name. The Black Raspberry Vanilla is by far the very best seller that we have. A lot of the others have been popular also, but that one has been the #1 if you're looking for one to try maybe. And then here is some of our other ones. Blueberry Cheesecake, Hopeless Romantic is a floral scent. The Coconut Shea, and the Pink Watermelon, those are all of our new ones for this year. Each one is $10. And you can mix and match however you want to do it. So that was some of those. And then I have designed some little bags that you can use to put those in. They fit in there perfectly. Or you can use it for anything else. It doesn't have to be for a lotion bar. But these little tins fit in there perfectly. So this particular one, they're all handmade by me, hand quilted and everything. This one has the green and white check inside of it. They all have the zipper. And then I've added the little tab with the hook so you can hook it to your purse or a key fob, which I have some of those coming up too. So if you like this one, it's number 127. These are $20. 127 for the watermelon one. I love this one. This print is so pretty. This one does not have a tab on it. If you want one like this that has a tab, just let me know. I can add one on there for you. It's 106. 106 for this blue one. And it's the same on both sides there. Then I have this cute one that's got the pigs on it. I love the little pigs on there. This one just has the ring on it. This one doesn't have the clasp, but you can hook a clasp to it. This one in the inside has the pink with the white polka dots. And this one is 152. 152 for that one. If you see a print that you want in something different, let me know and I can do that for you. So this one's got cherries, but the cherries are disco balls. And this one's got the clasp on it as well. And the inside's this really pretty kind of marbled pink, dark pink. And it's number 181. 181. I've only got like one more. And this one I had a lotion bar already in there for you on that one. Let me move that out of the way. So this one has, this one just has the little regular ring. If you need one that has the clasp, let me know. I can make more of these. This is a really cute bee print. The inside is the black with the little dashed lines. And this one's 163. 163. These are all $20. So just let me know if you saw one that doesn't have a clasp, that you want it to have the clasp like this. Just let me know and I can change those around for you. I do have one of the smaller ones that I made. This is the only one I have like this. It's got kind of a patchwork design and then it's got the dark pink on the inside. This one is number 171 and it is $14. This one's a little smaller. The other ones were like a 5x5. This one's a little smaller. This one is a 4x4. So this one's 171. I only have the one of that one. All right, so you saw that bee print. Let me show you real quick. I have a new mixer outfit. I don't know if you guys can see the headband on that one. So there's the headband. And here is the mixer outfit for that bee print. So I'll pull this off so you can see. So you get the two pieces. You get the reversible bowl cover. And then you also get the headband. And these are, let me try to get this all turned around here. Oh goodness, doggy ears. These are $22 for the set. You get the bowl cover and the headband. And it's just elastic. You just slide it on and off of there. So the bee print reverses to the little lines. This is 116. 116 for the bee print. And let me go over some of my other ones. I have a strawberry one. 188 for that one. This one is a really cute one. This one's brand new. I haven't made this one before. This one's number 162. This is the dog print and it reverses to the paws. So you can do it either way. You can even flip the headband around and have it the other way if you want to. So this one's 162 for the dog's dog print. And then this one is a coffee print. It's got lots of different coffee things on there, and it reverses to the brown and white cow print. So it's really cute. So that one's number 180. Most of these I can make more of. There are a few that are limited because I can't get the fabric anymore. But most of them I can make more of those. So this one is the chickens, different chickens, and the print, you know, it may vary the way each one of these look because it depends on, you know, where the chickens are when I cut the fabric out. But this one reverses to a chicken wire. So 141 for the chickens. And then I've got some lemons. And the lemon, the reverse of that one is just that green. Here's the headband. So this one's 157. That one's really pretty. And I've got one more. I didn't get this one done, but I wanted to show it to you anyway. I have sold some of these before, and I have more fabric, so I can make more of these. This is the Patriotic paw print with the dog bones on it. And the reverse of that one is this blue with the silver metallic stars. This one's number 146. And it will have the headband and everything with it too. I just didn't quite get done with that one, but I still wanted you to see it. So, all right. So I've only got a few more minutes already. It's gone by quick. So the little key purses that I showed you, I have some key fobs that will coordinate with some of those. These are $8 a piece. I'll just go through these real quick. So just remember, these are $8. The first one is the dog print. And I make these, when I make them, it's 13 inches long. So then, you know, folded in half. And these are padded. They're all padded, so they're nice and soft. And I also add a little bit of E6000 in there so they stay nice and secure. So the dog print one is number 142. Then I have a cute bee one that would coordinate with that bee purse that you saw. That one's 139. And then I have this purple one with white dots, 133. I do have a watermelon one. That one's 199. That would look cute with the watermelon tote. Let me show you how that would look together. And so that one was 199. And then I also have that one in a green and white gingham. It's 161. And that would also coordinate. So any of these little purses, if you see a key fob, the color that you want to go with it, I can do those. So 196 is the strawberries. Then I have a solid pink. It's like the marbled pink that was inside of some of those other bags. 191 for that one. This one's just a floral, pretty blue background. That one's 136. And then this one was 123. It's a pink and red and white stripe. And that one's 123. All right. Gosh, it goes by so quick, you guys. All right. I do have some more of these little pigs available that I made from a vintage quilt. The quilt was really neat looking. It was hand sewn. You can see some of the hand stitching in it. So I made some of these little pink pigs to go as dough bowl fillers for you. They're number 197 and they are $12. I lost my little price tag, but they're number 197. They're $12 each. They got the little ears on there. And I can make a few more of those. And then if you need a dough bowl to put it in, I do have this one. It's kind of a gray and brown distressed color. It's number 149 for 16. 149 for 16. Also have some bird nests. These are cute anytime, spring, summer. They come with the eggs in there. And this is a good size. It's about 5 inches, I think. 167. These are $6 for the bird nest. And this fit nicely in the dough bowl. And you could add a little candle or something right there. And then I have one of these left. This is my last one. This is you put a taper candle in there, like the one I showed you earlier in that basket. And you can hang this. It's supposed to go down into a glass mason jar. It needs to be a fairly big opening to get it to go down in there. Or you could hang it on like a cabinet door. And it's really cute. So it's $193 for $5. And I only have one of those. So I'm not sure if anybody claimed this, but this was the one I showed at the very beginning. The basket arrangement with the timer candle in it. And it was number 179 for 24. I'm not sure if anybody claimed that, but I just wanted to show it to you. So, all right, my time is up already. It goes by fast. Mary with Hog Wild Designs is after me. Be sure to refresh your screen. And also, there's another seller after her also. So be sure you watch everybody. And we'll see you again soon. Bye, everybody.